Is your HVAC website quietly costing you customers? Even small mistakes can drive visitors away before you ever get a chance to connect. If your site loads slowly, looks outdated, or isn't easy to use on a phone, people will move on to a competitor in seconds. Missing features like online booking or unclear calls to action can leave visitors confused about what to do next. And if your business doesn't show up in local search results, you're missing out on calls from people right in your service area. The good news is, these problems are fixable. Optimizing your site for speed, making it mobile-friendly, and adding clear, inviting buttons can keep visitors engaged. Filling your site with helpful answers to common HVAC questions and real customer reviews builds trust. With the right updates, your website can turn visitors into loyal customers and help your HVAC business grow. Don't let your website hold you back. Make it work for you.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.